Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are not flying a plane but spotting them. Let me choose. Let's go to Greater Rockford. You that is too busy. Let's explore. Let's go to the runway. Exploring the planes. Okay, this would be a good spot. Here, here is a Pepsi Concord. Okay, yo, we have an plane taking off KLN. KLN, oh, it's KLN taking off. See, take off. Why? Is this airport busy today or not? Wait, we see a plane. See, it's coming. Let's go to that runway. Can he do a better? Maybe he's landing in the 7th sea. No, he's landing there. No, he is. Okay. Yo, Babs is doing takeoff and he's landing, man. What can it be, a crash? Oh, he took off. What a hard landing. Yo, what a great pilot. Good. Oh, there is a Lufthansa plane. Okay, Lufthansa Boeing 747. Okay, good. It's a good time to explore the planes. Okay, there are two planes coming to Greater Rockford. What the heck is going on? Here is Donker and there is Pepsi. Wait, what a dumb guy. Okay, now we have a Singapore airline Boeing 747. Not busy today. Yo, I can see a plane. See, let me get some RP items, bind covers, and yeah. Where we spotted? Yeah, there. Zooming. And Concord. There it is one. Okay. So it's not pretty busy here. We got one more plane. It's a KLH. So that is a plane which we saw doing a takeoff. KLN. Oh, what a pushback. There is not busy. This is not busy airport today, guys. Okay, we saw planes. It is somewhere there. Yeah. What's going on? Guys, if you don't want to get binoculars, because there is fog, this slider. Okay, guys. So Singapore will be do take off right now. Oh, wait. What the hell that is? One plane is approaching, one plane is going. Let me go to that market. Okay, speed. Oh, Pepsi. Okay, he landed. Speedbird. Oh, what the hell? British Airways. What a failure landing, man. It's not pretty busy today. I'm gonna take some photos. This is the best viewpoint for getting the pictures of planes. Yo, this is the best angle. Yeah, this is the best. And let me take a okay, I'm gonna take a photo of me and them. Come. Let me see there. Yo, what the hell is going on? Okay, he accelerate. When it will come here, I will take a photo. And click. What a photo I get. I get a photo. See, view. What the hell? Yes. Okay, we got in Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways, which plane? Oh, Boeing 747. Okay, it's now busier. It's now busier airport. And guys, don't forget, this is plane spotting. We will do different type of plane spotting in different type of airports. Now we will post so many videos of only plane spotting. Then we will increase the more amount, like doing your days and etc. Okay. Yo, I only need one photo. You what a sharp turn at first. Okay, it's now morning time maybe. Oh, it will be soon. Yo, why isn't I? Okay, one plane is coming there. See, one plane is coming from there. Yo, what? He will take off. Oh, he will take off from 7C. Yo, let's go to him and we will rate its landing. Maybe he will land at this 7R. Yeah, he will. Okay, that is a Thai Airways. Oh wait, what the hell? You landing at this one? Go! Okay, he gone. Thai Airways. Maybe 80-30, guys. Yeah, it's 80-30. Very low approach. Very low and yo, what the hell, man? It is slam, man. And here is the morning. Let me take a photo. Let me take a picture and view it. Yo, that is good, man. That is good. Not too much bad. Yo. Okay, there is an Emirates plane. Let me go to him. Emirates 83. No, it's a Boeing 787. Boeing 787. We have B code. And yes. Okay. So not okay. This is not busy now. Not busy yet much. There is no plane coming. Greater Rockford. See. You wait. What is happening in Mala? Okay. It's busier than Greater Rockford. Yo, we got an plane. Why is it leave? Yo, I see a plane. It is going. Okay, now we have 3%. And super transport mean it's a Airbus Beluga XL. Let me see. Oh, we will miss the takeoff. Let me go to it. I have to take a picture, man. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Yes, we took it. This will be our thumbnail. This is good. We will just type something. Yeah. Yo. Let me show you the wind. Wind at 0 knots. It is not moving, man. Wait. It's raining. And there is no wind. What the hell? Yo, these planes are coming here. We can see and zoom it. See, these planes will land at Great Rockford. Recording until I see a butter. Yes, this is the challenge. Yo, maybe they will do not move at G. Yes, do not. Okay, we got one Emirates plane. Let me go and check it. So we get an Airbus A330. Good. And second one is Airbus A330. Almost same. These are same. No, it's a Airbus A340, man. And it is also A340. Sorry, guys. And we got a Concorde. Yes, this is Concorde. So we got a plane. Okay, then we got a plane which will land at 7 hours. I don't think that it will make a butter. Yo, if you are not enough, just leave this plane. Emirates, which plane that is? Wait, it will come. Okay, I will see. This is an A330. Yo, no, it's a Boeing 777. 777. What the hell now? This is a bad and but butter. But he flew too much. He flew and we got one more plane. Let me go. Okay, we have time. Yo. Darren, evil don't come. Oh. Okay. It's slam. We got kale and clay. It will land in this runway. We said this person earlier, guys. Yeah, I am sure he was. Okay, good. It can be a butter. Yeah. Nose snap. What the hell, dude? Ooh. Yo, there are only Emirates planes. Yo, what the hell? He take off from the taxiway. And what about him? Yo, that was good but too low. And we got a plane landing. No, it's not landing. Yo, it is. No, it is. No, it doesn't. Yo, it is going for a takeoff, man. Okay, let me capture. Yo. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And our goal is to reach at least 100 subscribers at the end of this year. Bye, guys.